guys, welcome back to my view farm. So today I thought we've got a job that I've been putting off for the last couple of weeks because the mozzies have been prime, but it's about time, and that is the peppers. So we've got 3 rows of bell peppers here that I want to try and keep for next year. So the plan is to trim them back, and then probably next week. Temperatures are still okay at the minute, but once it starts cooling off, I'll get a nice cloche over them, and hopefully that'll give us a head start on our peppers next year. As you can see, they've started to lose the leaves now. They are putting on some new shoots, but I want to get them trimmed back, and we're going to trim them back down to the framework down here, and we'll see how we get on. Now, we used to do this over at the old place here because we are literally only a couple of kilometers from the sea, which is over there. So here we get a really bad wind in the winter, so whether they will survive or not, I don't know. So like I say, what the plan is to take them back to the framework. So literally trim them off like this. Now we used, like I say, we used to do this over at the other farm, but I'm hoping that by doing this, it's going to give us a head start in sort of January, February time with some early peppers in March. Saves us planting new ones. But as you can see, we just literally take it back to the framework, and then like I say, hopefully cloching it will keep them okay through the winter, and then we'll be able to use them again next year and get some nice peppers. A lot of people, like when we used to do it over there, a lot of people that I spoke to always say you get a better crop on the second year. So we'll wait and see. We've got a bit of weeding to do, but what we'll do is we'll trim them back, then we'll get some horse muck put down the middle, re-ridge it, cover them up, and then hope for the best. And there, guys, what's the worst that can actually happen? They don't survive and I have to plant some new ones. That's one row done. Bit of a hyperlapse, so you can tell the difference between them and them. They're a lot shorter. We've cut out any bad stuff, any branches that are growing inwards. So anything like, let's have a look. So anything that's like that, that's broken, so we'll cut that right off so you don't get any diseases in. Just any branches that are intertwining. Like this one, you've got a lot of branches, so we'll trim them all right back and just leave the main frame. So yep, there we go. So stuff like that we'll take out, and we'll just leave the main actual framework, which will bring it back next year. So guys, I'm going to get on with that, and then I'll be right back with you. As you can see, we've trimmed it all back. Now what we're going to do is clear all the cuttings from down the middle. We'll get rid of all them. We'll add a load of muck in there, and then we'll plough that in, bridge it back up, and then that'll be all set for next year. So we will still plant more peppers next year, just in case these don't survive. You know, if we have a really cold January or something, then they might not survive, but we'll see. But the same theory goes for like chilli plants, Italian peppers, any sort of pepper plants. I've even done it in the past with eggplants as well, and that has worked in the past. Now obviously if you're in a colder climate, if you're in the UK, Canada, America, it probably won't work, but here in Spain, right on the south coast where we are, no, this tends to work. It's worked in the past for me. So yeah, we'll see. I do know that there's I think Andy and Sharon from Think of Life. I was speaking to Chris and Lillian the other week, who have the cave house. I'll put a link to their channel. Can't remember what it was now. But yeah, I was speaking to them and they were saying Andy and Sharon chop theirs back. Theirs are in pots, but they're quite close to the house, so obviously they're well sheltered. As you can see, it's quite open, and like I say, we do get the wind from the sea, and we do get the wind coming in, the cold wind off the mountains as well. So we'll just see how they do, and I'll keep you updated on these ones. As you can see, we picked a handful of peppers, so we've got a handful to pick. And then what we're going to do is, I've got the millions of chilli plants over there, so I'm going to dig some up just to finish this row off. So I'll trim them back and then we'll plant them at the end of this row, just so we've got a few chilli plants for next year, because I don't think I'm going to grow chilies next year. Just can't seem to sell them, nobody wants them. So yeah, next job on the agenda: basil, tomatoes. Get rid of them. That gives us 4 lines free then that we can put in there. The carrots haven't taken, so those lines are coming out, so we can get some more stuff in there as well. And then it's just finish off this row. We're going to move the rabbit fencing and put it down here, and then it'll open all this side, ready to get the tractor in and get all this ploughed up probably end of November. So guys, I'm going to crack on, get this done, and then that's one more job ticked off the list, and I will catch you on the next one. If you've liked the video, go down, hit the subscribe button, share it, follow us. Like I say, I'm trying to put as much videos up as I can. So yeah, have a good one. Catch you on the next one. See you later, guys.